After demolishing his house and using it as an intelligence center in mid-October at the start of this battle, Saleh al-Aruri, the deputy chairman of Hamas's political bureau, was assassinated in southern Beirut, the capital of Lebanon, just hours ago. A drone strike was used to attack a building in the suburbs of South Beirut that contains an office belonging to Hamas in the city, killing al-Aruri and 5 others. 2 among them were also Hamas leaders. The group confirmed and mourned the killing of its leaders. At the same time, the national and revolutionary powers in the West Bank declared a national mourning day, and death toll in Gaza has exceeded 22,000. The local news agencies have reported the killing of at least 5 Palestinians in the West Bank in the last 24 hours during heavy and violent armed confrontations between the Palestinian youth and the Israeli army, raising the death toll in the West Bank to over 480.
Israel Defense Forces said on Tuesday over the past day the naval forces and the ground troops identified explosive devices belonging to the Palestinian militant groups in the Gaza Strip. Overnight, the Israeli army also struck military infrastructure belonging to the Syrian army in response to the launches on Monday toward Israeli territory